Let's take a look at how the latest versions of Altium Designer are continuously improving, simplifying the engineers' practice and accelerating their work on the same tasks when compared to older versions. Today, we're focusing on the tuning of the DDR4 paths to ensure that the PCB panel remains clear of any misalignment notifications. Altium Designer 25 introduces the auto-tuning feature, which significantly cuts down the time and effort needed. The task was accomplished in just 47 seconds, with a mere 7 actions. In contrast, with Altium Designer 23, each path required individual tuning using the interactive length tuning option. This process took 2 minutes and 19 seconds, involving 64 individual actions. This translates to a time savings of 1 minute and 32 seconds, a 66% improvement in efficiency. In addition, the action count was reduced by 89%. This comparison underscores the considerable advantages of upgrading to Altium Designer 25 for a more streamlined and efficient PCB design workflow.